we're given some zeros. And remember the zeros are going to be where our function is going to cross the x-axis. And so what we need to do is they are asking us now to find a polynomial function from our zeros. Who gives them the nerve to find our polynomial function of this? All right, well, let's kind of do a little review. First thing, let's say if I said find the zeros, how does that happen? And let's say I had f of x equals, actually let's put a little bit over so we can keep on remembering this. Let's say we have f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 9. Right? So therefore f of x equals, x plus 3 squared. So to find the zeros, 0 equals x plus 3 squared. Take the square root. 0 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3. X equals negative 3. So that would be our 0 would be negative 3. So what we're going to do is we need to write our 0. We need to go from 0 to factor form and then write it as a polynomial. So I have my zeros. The next thing I need to write is I need to write them as linear factors. And I probably should keep this parenthesis there just so you can remember. So let's write these as linear factors. Notice how this is a negative 3. As a factor, it's positive 3. So when I write this as linear factors, I'm going to write f of x equals x minus 4, x plus 3, x minus 3, and x minus 0. Again, notice how I got from a negative 3 up to a positive 3, and then so on. The next thing I need to do is, let's kind of simplify a little bit. Hey, look, I have a difference of 2 squares, right? Difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. You guys can remember difference of 2 squares. You guys try to like memorize those, or at least maybe a teacher told you to memorize those, because it helps a lot for you to automatically not have to FOIL this. And automatically you can say difference of 2 squares equals x squared minus 9 times x. It's very helpful. Here we're going to have to FOIL. And for those of you, I'm not going to do a review of FOIL. However, what I will do is I'll show you what I'm doing. X times x squared, x cubed, x times negative 9 gives you negative 9x. Negative 4 times x squared is a negative 4x squared. And then negative 4 times 9 is a negative 36.
Mr. Starr, Ms. Davis, please call me on.
All outside of x. Now I need to distribute my x. Equals x times x third is x to the 4th. Negative 9x times x is a negative 9x squared. Negative 4x squared times x is a negative 4x cubed. Negative 36 times x is a negative 36x. Now, I switch these two terms. I'm not going to combine them because they don't have the same exponent, but I'm going to write mine in descending order. X to the 4th minus 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 36x. Now, my polynomial function is written in descending order, and if I was to find the zeros to work backwards, or work like this one, the zeros I would find would be 4x, 4, negative 3, 3, and 0. Meaning, this graph has intercepts at 4, negative 3, 3, and 0. That's it. Oh, you can't see it all. There we go. Now you can watch it.